Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews. Today, thanks to Merrimack St Volvo in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2024 Volvo XC90 B6 Ultimate. So this is the ultimate trim level, top of the line, mated to the B6 powertrain. This is a 7-passenger. All your mats, equipment, all that fun stuff there. This did have the hood cover on it, so that's what's going to be in the back seat here. Absolutely beautiful leather. Ultimate trim level is going to give you a lot nicer trim. Look at that. Cool. Let's take a look at this window sticker. As tested, 71,430. This has 295 horsepower, 310 pound-feet of torque, mild hybrid, denim blue, absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous car. Seats are unbelievably comfortable. Crystal shifter, which is gorgeous. You have panoramic sunroof, which is controlled like so. Same thing with the lights, it's all touch sensitive. All right, heads up display. Heated, cooled seats, which you can do at the exact same time. So you could have heated cooling. Let's see. It's off. That would explain a lot. Synced with driver. Android infotainment system. Without further ado, let's go ahead and take this thing out on the road. So with the B6, the electric motor is only 11 horsepower. It's a 48 volt, very mild hybrid. If you want a much more powerful electric motor, you can step into the T8. But with the B6, it's very mild, which for some people is a bonus, other people aren't. Volvo caters to everyone. You can get a top trim level with the base engine, which I think is absolutely awesome. So of course, being a mild hybrid, it doesn't use the starter for the auto start stop. It uses the electric motor to start it. Pretty cool. Even for being not the top powertrain, plenty of torque, plenty of power. Again, you want more, you got the T8. Actually, I didn't show it because I'm buckled in right now, but on the seatbelt buckle, it says since 1959, which is pretty darn cool, because if you realize that Volvo invented the 3-point safety belt in 1959. So on the seatbelt buckle itself, it says since 1959 for the 3-point safety belt. Very, very cool little touch, especially because Volvo's been all about safety. So after just stepping out of the XC60, XC90 does feel a lot bigger. I'm sat up higher. But still a very sporty feel to it. Hopefully we'll be checking out the T8 next. But being a B6 Ultimate, I wanted to see what the Ultimate was like, to get the Ultimate experience. What a nice car, man. This is really, really nice. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.